I need to get into the proper pattern. I'm going the opposite pattern of everybody else. That's not good.
Hello! Hello, little brother! I didn't mean to come down that low.
Well, there's no way you know where I'm at.
Whoa!
I think the wind started coming from left to right.
Yeah, it's coming out of the southwest. Look at that thing just float in. That just amazes me.
That's pretty cool. Like that landing.
Elevator, elevator, elevator. I'm gonna land on your hat, Jim. Happy with that. I wanted to just set it down. I didn't want to roll it in. How's that? I like that. Yeah, thank you. Phil? I've been putting in real flight 9 time. I'm trying to turn it, believe it or not. That's what I'm doing. I just wasn't giving it enough. I'm running out of battery. This is only a 1500. That's what That landed with like a butterfly with sore feet. More or less into the wind. See that wind flopping around? It's like a kite now.
You don't even have it on first three yet.
Look at it blowing sideways.
If you pull that up vertical like I was doing,
I can keep it from turning with the rudder here. Well, it's not easy because this wind is bouncing around a little. It's hard to tell how much difference that half ounce of weight off the nose made. Yeah. But it's pretty much staying in one spot.
Oh, Maryland.
Yeah. Yeah. It is a little, when I get going downwind, it's definitely tail heavy.
If it's tail heavy, your little Harrier landing,
Yeah.
is much easier.
Yeah. Look at that.
And look at the wings are barely rocking, and that wind is blowing. What do you think, 6-7 miles an hour?
Yeah.
I'd say that, yeah. And they said it was going to kick up about 11 o'clock, and it's 11:30.
Yeah. It's like a kite, isn't it?
This
is kite flying.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, I built that senior cadet, what they call it, cadet senior. And I absolutely love to fly that plane in the wind because of that. Play with it.
I think it's too windy for you, Al.
Probably is.
Not for you, but for your airplane.
Can't hurt it too bad. Start going backwards, yeah.
Make sure you got enough battery to get back from downwind.
Yeah.
I think with a heavier battery, this will do fine without that weight. Oh, you're way up there? Wow. It is. Well, it was, but it's quartering on it now, kind of.